monde! Regardez comme c'est facile!
C'est super! Vive le français!
Fast track your French with T3. Unlock the mental shortcuts and proven mnemonics designed to help you master the language with total accuracy. T3 in French is
T3. T3.
T3. T3 refers to tips, tricks and techniques.
T3. T3.
Means shut up.
Ah là là. Quel dommage.
Hold on. The moment is almost here.
Tais-toi!
Hold on. The moment is almost here. Hold on. The moment is almost here. Hold on. The moment is almost here. Hold on. The moment is almost here.
French can be confusing, just like parents. They want you to speak, then they say, tais-toi.
T3 is here to help you navigate those contradictions correctly and fast. By following our T3, you won't be asked to be quiet or shut up, but you will listen to from where did you learn all these nuances. So, level 2 is not shut up, but level up.
Au revoir. À tout à l'heure.